So my name is Balaji Gopalan. I'm from Toronto, Canada. I'm the co-founder and CEO of a company called MedStack. We accelerate digital health products to market 60% faster by codifying the privacy and security requirements of the healthcare industry into the cloud.
So I know that hospital, like medical records and all these systems there's a lot of legacy stuff, there's a lot of like weird intermediate systems. Like where do you fit into that ecosystem? Because it seems like it's really varied depending on where you go.
Yeah, it really is. And you can think of the healthcare industry as having multiple segments. So you have the sort of in situ traditional systems such as electronic medical records, et cetera, which themselves are going through transformation. But the real area of interesting innovation is the things at the endpoint. So chronic condition management applications, connected medical devices, healthcare billing, healthcare scheduling, the advent of things like home care, things like telemedicine. The healthcare industry is trying desperately to adopt these things, but usually they say no to just about everything because they don't know how to manage the commitments around patient data privacy. And protection of the patient privacy is actually something that's called out in the Hippocratic Oath and is the #1 priority of these organizations.
So where does it usually fail? I mean, when these audits are happening, is it just like, there's a point where it's not encrypted at rest, or is it like, where do these things fall down?
Yeah, it's a whole series of things. It's a combination of encryption, it's a combination of the schedule for the backups and the protection of the backup data, network security, audit logging, monitoring, all of these things are required, and they all require dedicated configuration of the cloud. And most of the companies building these things are usually focused on 3 things. They're focused on the medical science, usually some level of AI or machine learning, and user experience. They don't have an infrastructure security team. And this stuff is just as much work as building the app itself. We've built all that into the platform so it happens automatically.
Just really quickly, what do you think is the most exciting thing that's going to come out of digitizing this kind of sector?
Yeah, I mean, healthcare we consider it one of the most important areas of innovation in the world, and the one that desperately requires cloud innovation. Being able to deliver personalized medicine, digital therapeutics, telemedicine, having a relationship with the patient no matter where they are, and having the medical procedures be personalized for the multiple conditions the patient has, involving the families in the patient care. These are all the things that the healthcare industry is working on, and we're bringing all of the bleeding edge technologies to this industry. AI, mobile, blockchain, VR, et cetera. Our customers are building all of those things into the healthcare industry. It's really exciting.
Good. I thought for a second there you were about to pitch me an AI, mobile, blockchain, VR experience, but fortunately that's not the case.
All of our customers together, that's exactly what it is.
All right, well, thank you for coming out.
Thank you very much for having me.